Students are already back in the classroom at Camp Creek after wind gusts of more than 80 miles an hour blew part of the roof off the school's gym.
Yeah, we found out cleanup efforts are well underway today at the school in Greene County. Maintenance crews were there today. They were collecting as much debris as they could find.
News Channel 11's Jordan Moore joins us live from our Greenville newsroom with the latest on the cleanup efforts there. Jordan.
Well, Josh, for those who live in the Camp Creek area of Greene County, they are really used to strong wind gusts anywhere from 40 to 50 miles an hour from time to time. But principal of Camp Creek, he told me yesterday was an entirely different experience.
There's a lot of wind that comes through here. There are days when you can sit here in the school and you can feel the wind come through and you see the ceiling tiles move. But yesterday when it's gusting in the 80 mile per hour, it's different.
And principal here at Camp Creek, Dennis Wild, said he knew it was different when he saw the damage with his own eyes. Take a look at some of the video we captured Wednesday. It was even hard for our cameras to stay still because of that wind. Wild said the most important thing is that nobody was injured. Now the focus is on how to fix it. Thursday, we found maintenance staff picking up what was left of the debris, and inside, plastic covering the gym from door to door. Take a peek over the plastic and you'll find water covering the floor. Water that accumulated Wednesday night as the wind still made it dangerous for crews to even be on the roof.
They were tied down, tied in, and doing the best they could, but it's very difficult to work. So they didn't get the plastic down. They did get the materials up there yesterday before they left. We did have plastic down on the gym floor, but we did collect quite a bit of water in there, or hopefully it'll help preserve the floor.
Despite the mess left behind, Wild said they felt it was important for things to get back to normal as soon as they could.
We wanted to have school. We wanted our kids to be here. If the gym is all we lose for a few weeks, then that's fine. And we hit the ground running just like a normal day.
Now, the exact part of the roof that came off during those high winds yesterday is what they described as the weatherproofing layer, a layer of tar-coated rubber mat, along with 4 massive vents that were ripped off as well. Reporting live in the Greenville newsroom, Jordan Moore, News Channel 11, in your corner.
Jordan, thanks. As for how long it'll take to repair the roof, school officials said they are still looking at an exact timeline, but they say it could be anywhere from a few weeks to several weeks before the kids will be back in that gym.